Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to undelete text messages on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the messaging app. Once in the messaging app, you can simply select the message that you would like to delete. So let's say, for example, I want to delete this message right here. I can simply pull it to the left, then tap on the trash can, then select delete. Now to recover that deleted message, all you have to do is tap on filters in the top left hand corner. Then you are going to see at the bottom of the page recently deleted. You are going to tap on that and you will see the deleted message, and you are going to simply tap on recover all, then tap on recover messages, and that's it. The message has now been added back to all messages. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to undelete messages on iPhone or how to recover deleted messages on iPhone.